Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about top 3 best electric water heaters. Starting at number 3. Rinnai Natural Gas. The next step in condensing technology for water heaters that delivers more efficiency than ever is coming from Rinnai and their RUC98 in tankless heater. It features 95% efficiency and works with natural gas or propane, offering multiple venting options. It has application in residential and commercial indoor areas. The RUC98 has a sleek gray finish and it's a compact heater despite the considerable weight. It provides a front panel with all the basic controls for water temperature, power, and besides all that, it also gives the user the interesting ability to lock the temperature button for the unit in order to prevent any unauthorized access. The Rinnai RUC98 is a very capable water heater, but can be a bit tricky to install because of the 0.75 MNPT water and gas connections rather than the standard found in most homes' 0.5-inch connections. But despite this, it is a very sleek and efficient water heater that offers enough power to be used in multi-bathroom households. Overall, is a high-quality product worth checking out if you are in the market for a new water heater. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. Hayward Heat Pro Titanium. Hayward is a brand with a long history when it comes to providing the best pool equipment to make the experience of owning a pool much more pleasurable one. Their cutting-edge technology has been specially manufactured to ease the maintenance of the pool and simplify the concerns of pool owners regarding this kind of equipment. The Hayward is a heat pump designed to extend your pool season by generating heat efficiently and saving as much as possible on operating costs. This product is very economical because it uses a powerful system to generate heat using the outside air and a titanium heat exchanger. Efficient performance comes in a very sleek package, and as such the heat pump is weighing only 250 pounds. The pump has an acoustic compressor cover for quiet operation and a profiled fan blade to further reduce the noise. The body panels are impervious to rust and deterioration thanks to being made UV resistant and molded by durable injection. Even in the toughest conditions, the HP 21440 delivers unrivaled and uncompromising performance. The hardware is fully stainless steel, and the compressors are extremely quiet and built for long-lasting efficiency. And number 1 of this list. EcoSmart Electric. EcoSmart is a brand known for incorporating the most advanced technology in water heating and their insistence on saving up on energy costs because of their efficient tankless water heaters. Besides being more economical, tankless water heaters fit well in your home as they are compact and wall-mounted, allowing you to save some valuable space. EcoSmart Eco 27 has digital temperature control with very fine increments of 1 degree for the most customized output. Safety is also taken very seriously by EcoSmart as they limit the heat output to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, so there are no worries about overheating. The unit is very easy to clean and maintain and comes with a high-quality build. The performance may vary according to the temperature of the supplied water, but all in all, the Eco 27 is powerful enough to satisfy all your water heating needs even in colder climates. Delivering impeccable quality and conserving as much energy as possible, this water heater is, in the end, highly recommended. All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.